It's just up there. Are there people coming? Are there people?
With the bag in hand.
It's like I did this.
You don't probably not have a look. Move your hand. You've got this chair here.
It's a wonder that DLI or DLI or whatever it is these days hasn't caught up.
That's a nice old walk too. When we did it with an open ticket, and it was July, and now we downloaded the only cycling tours, and it's only good for 5 years, and then it's another $65 people.
Oh, well, they've got to get money somewhere, John, you know that.
How is very similar to the one from, yeah, wait, have we seen Back to the Future? No? Next time
Yeah, well, no,
we really good day out there, we go both days, and it's really
Yeah,
cool,
yeah.
I really enjoy it.
well, I put it this way, 2 years ago,
Yeah.
I didn't know it rained.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I did not know it rained,
Oh. Yeah, dear.
because if you've got plenty of money, you can buy something, I believe.
Oh,
It's
really?
not them, but
Oh. I don't want to even see it, but is that from that, or is it that one?
I don't.
The other one's come off the Garrett.
Oh, did you know?
Yeah, he doesn't. Well, actually, no, oh, look, it's not the commando.
Not so close.
No, we'll talk about Steve Gas until he comes in.
This is the one that comes in.
Steve Gas, yes.
Oh, some of it, yeah, only a little bit, because you can't move it.
Asked us to give you the new shed this year. We both spoke to you last year,
Yeah.
the year before.
We've probably
We
spoken
told
to
you-
you.
We go every year.
Yeah, we
Probably
had
over-
I had that stupid air business with tubes and things dancing
Yeah,
and
we
one of the
probably
bridges.
have. Yeah. Probably have cost
Probably
part.
have.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
July got involved a bit because 3 years ago the museum in Sydney, Powerhouse Museum, didn't come, and they had a lot of hands-on stuff.
Yeah, they used to have the robot, didn't they?
Yes, that's all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
And well, after 2 years ago, I built it. He wouldn't know.
No, I'm giving well over $300.
What for?
The silver, if they were
Silver.
sale. Really? How much did you sell them for?
You wouldn't sell them.
I don't know what that's on the
But you wouldn't sell them, would you?
No, yeah, they do.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
All
All they're available.
Oh.
They're available. What is it? What's the actual one what do you call it?
The one off the
That one there.
Yeah.
I'd go and see Tom, you probably would know what.
Yeah.
Oh, that's all right, we can, yeah.
They're all resin copies.
Yeah,
Oh,
because
the
we did
real
get
deal.
one of these at Steamfest one that had Dubbo written on it,
Yeah.
and he started to.
Yeah, but I'd be pretty sure that you'd be able to. I go.
That's another one I would do.
Please.
Without those seats.
Yeah, that's it.
That's out of stock, or sold out.
They sold out, they built out 1,600 of them and they were sold out within about 2 weeks.
Said. So how many of you here have actually said, oh, sorry, it was a sunset. I said, well, we stood there and, yeah, the woman stood there and she said, oh, we're going to watch the moon rise. I'm like, how do people go outside and actually watch it?
Baron is the colour changes in the minutes.
Oh,
You take a picture of it now and do it like totally different. And I was up there in September,
No, just
October, right?
stop
And
waiting.
you know this that I struggle. I was
It'll come back
there for
around
most
again.
of
It'll come back around
the
again.
summer.
Here she comes.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna jump.
Yes. That's how quick it disappears. If you're watching, you see it's there, or just
And next thing you know,
look
it's done.
away and so forth. I saw it once, I think, in the whole time, I went, oh, mate, it was impossible. I couldn't believe how quick it sells.
He really enjoyed it. He was really
Yeah.
involved in it. But then we took it, then we went the opposite way. We went down Gold on Muller into there. But he was.
Yeah, it's an entertaining town, Gold.
Yeah, it's an interesting little town.
Yeah, also that little town we had that railway thing right in the middle of it. It's on the way to Lou.
Been away.
Binaway? Right in the
I've
centre.
never been there. So
Well, right in the
Okay,
centre of
so-
Binaway is must be where the old train station was, and they've just worked, they've built around the train
that's
station.
in the Pilbara, isn't it?
No, Binaway's up to.
Oh, here it goes.
Yeah,
Oh, here it goes.
Here it comes. We drove up to Bowen, but we took the country road, and it was so barren because it was the drought.
Yeah.
It was awful. Not so close, Anastasia. If I have to say it one more time, the camera will go away.
We won't see Mum, Grandma, don't worry about it, we can't see.
Then they like, well, I can't be grandma. Grandma's always on their case, but
There's got a lot.
You're filling full of sugar and give it back there.
Yeah, I
a little bit.
I've got a couple of granddaughters like that.
Oh,
Filling full of sugar.
Later.
We've got another.
1929 rugby, that's a good word.
Yeah.
He had a 70 series Roma, he had an Austin Lancer, his wife drove a HQ Premier, and he ran around in a 1980 model Datsun Ute. TNI, that had everything worked on. I'd stop standing. Every time we pulled up to our fuck, you know. Hey, mate, is that car for sale? Yes, mate, it is. How much you want for it? More than real one, right?
Yeah, they're expensive. Yeah. I work with a guy that's doing a car.
FX, FJ, because I use them for controls and creep controls. And give myself crime came up and we used because they're brilliant gearbox.
Yeah.
Yeah. I had a 27 Plymouth at one stage, but I couldn't work on it because through the week I was rebuilding mining equipment. And the weekends are last thing you want to do.
You start doing it,
You got to go and do something different.
yeah.
I work at the game that thing right. But it's, the trouble is that we lost scores today because not many people know what they all appear.
That's what today, because we went out to the Maitland fair.
Yeah.
My granddaughter was showing, and I said, now these are what's going to show the woman weaving and
Oh, yeah, it's
and
been
the
well.
lace thing and everything else. And said, now this is what they used to do in training programs they don't do. She said, "Well, she was very interested in all of that. Because I think it's been
Yeah, well, I was on that committee, who was elected in the last year. But my wife hasn't really
It's
yeah.
it's a shame that because people like catering, I know all that, but they don't mind, the grandkids don't mind when they have to look at things like this.
No. It's, yes, you're right about that. There's a couple of those hoppers, one of them down there at Wall. Yeah.
Grandma's got to retire. That's 200. That's my retirement. But you know what I mean? Like we all need to get in.
Hey, money's only good for what it can buy now.
You want to try and get in the, if you want to get your third out, come to our now, the car will put the name on it.
Okay.
Because I'll say that real quick.
Okay.
We got, in August, the 38 had 3 tons out, and September, 38 comes out.
Okay. So I need to.
And I'll go,
This is out of curry.
yeah.
I need 38, 20.
I've
So
already,
you've got a tracker
I've
now.
already ordered them. When I see them come out, I ordered them.
What a pre-order.
I did the same with the one. I lay by it. We don't mind the lay by it.
Yeah.
Well, it's done on really good track.
Yeah. That's where they do it again. But thanks for giving us that.
But then, them cars in the back of the 38, they're second hand ones, I paid $100 for the 3 of them. Same car.
Oh, that's a good
And
picture.
that label may be there. That's $200.
You've
There you
got
go.
10 more minutes, mate, because she's starting to
You've got
play
that
that
thing on,
music.
on.
I watched some videos of
More mine bottles.
Yeah.
I've got a
Not for me.
Tiny stuff, tiny little things like, we're doing it for
basic, for HA, you need a 6 feet 8 board. Magnetic basic. These will run around on what's called radius through. Radius 1 and 2 shafts, they won't run around.
Are you listening? Are you half listening or you?